Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you guys how to make a cropped graphic tee. I just added these to my shop because I needed something that I could make and ship out really quickly but still has that handmade feel. So this is what they look like, and I roll the sleeves up and then I crop it myself. This is just a plain Gildan t-shirt, and basically I've customized it to work with some of the items that I sell in my shop. So I'm going to show you how to make that today. If you haven't already, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. I do videos on Cricut crafts, sublimation, sewing, DIYs, and things like that. So if you are interested in any of those things, you are definitely in the right place. Let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it over and cut it so that it is going from a full-size t-shirt to a cropped t-shirt. And I am going to cut it 4.5 inches. This is a size 2T. Normally I cut it about 5, but this shirt is so tiny, I'm only going to cut off 4.5 inches. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll up the sleeves, and what I do is I take it to the sewing machine a little later, and I'm going to tack those folds into place. And now I'm taking the tee to my sewing machine and just tacking those cuffs into place. And I'm also going to be, I didn't put this on camera, but I actually do tack the bottom part, because when you cut the bottom where you crop it, those threads are going to come loose unless you tack them into place. So you also want to tack the bottom just a few stitches, just so that if it stretches or anything, it doesn't come out of place. Now I'm just going over to my Cricut so that I can cut out my design, and I designed this TWA, Toddler with Attitude. I designed that on Canva myself, but you can always go on design bundles or Etsy and find some really cool SVG designs, but a lot of the times I just design my own just so that I can have unique things that nobody else has. And now to finish off the shirt, I'm just taking it to the heat press. This is a pink press. It's 9x12, so it is small, but I do most of my projects on this heat press. And I also have another one that's 15x15, but the majority of what I do is actually on this smaller one. And right now I'm just trying to find my pressure. I am just preheating the shirt to get the moisture out right now. So I ran into a hiccup while I was doing this. I wasn't paying attention to the fact that I rolled the cuffs, so that meant that there wasn't enough pressure on the actual part where the graphic is, where the HTV is. So So I had to thread the shirt sideways so that there was enough pressure on the HTV so that it could adhere to the shirt. So as you can see, this time I was able to get the transfer tape off perfectly. And then to finish everything off, I'm just gonna press the cuffs one more time just to make sure that they're nice and creased. You of course don't have to do this step, but I like to put clothing tags on my t-shirts and anything that I hand make. You can get just regular business cards from Vistaprint or Office Depot, which is where I got mine, and just make it more so like a clothing tag instead of a business card. And that's it. So that's it for today. I hope that you enjoyed this. If you guys have any questions on how I did things or what I did in the video, I know I'm not the best at explaining things or giving directions, which is why these videos are great, because you can kind of see it, and if I don't explain it well, at least you can see what I'm doing. But if you guys have any questions on what I did or anything like that, please put them in the comments below, and I'm happy to answer any questions. Again, if you're not already, please hit that subscribe button and hit the like button if you like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.